All right, so how does this Roku remote work? That is the power button. This is a back button. So whatever page you were on previously, it will take you back there. This is your home screen button that has all of your various options and apps. This is your navigation. You go left, you go right, you go up, you go down. When you find something that you want, you press OK. This takes you back 10 seconds on your timeline. This takes you to settings where you can change the volume, the color, the picture, and things of that nature. This is reverse on a timeline. This is forward on a timeline. This is the pause button. Usually you have to hit pause first, then you hit reverse, and then stop it where you want to begin watching it again. If you want to go forward, you would hit pause and then press that. It would move forward, and then you would stop it. Here's Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Disney. Those are quick buttons that take you directly to those apps. On the side, you have volume up, volume down, and mute. And that is basically how this Roku works with your TV. All right, so here's the clone remote that I just got off of Amazon. Looks, like I said, looks exactly the same. I'm gonna go ahead and press the power button. Bam, there I am. Now if I wanna navigate, I just come to this. Now watch, it'll navigate over to HBO Max, then it goes to Hulu, then it goes to Vimeo. If I want to go down, I press this. It goes down. If I want to go over to the left, I press the left button. If I want to go up, I click that. So that's how you navigate. Once you've decided what you want to look at, you just press the OK button, right? And bam, it's going to open up, HBO Max, all right, because that's what I clicked on. And then if I wanted to mute it, I would come over here, press this, and it mutes it. You see how the mute come up right here? All right, now watch. If I press it again, it unmutes it, and you can see that the sound's up. Now if I want to change that sound, watch. I can go higher. Watch it go up. Because I'm clicking right on this side of the remote, and as you see this move, it's increasing in sound. Now if I want it to go down, I go this way on the bottom part of the remote. You see that? If I hold it, it'll just go backwards. I'm gonna turn it like all the way down. All right, so that's that. All right, now, if you wanna play something, let's say we wanna watch whatever this is. Let's go down one, we'll just find something else. Let's click on this. So I'm gonna click on this. See, it's highlighted, and it's gonna open it up. And I'm gonna show you. All right, so now I'm gonna go here. This is the stop button, I'm gonna stop it. When I do that, it gives me this timeline down here. Now, if I wanted to go backwards in it, I would click this side here, right? Now watch it. See how it's moving backwards? Now, if I'm good with it, I'd click there and it stops. And then it goes to that point in the timeline and it plays it. Now, let's say I wanna go forward, right? So I'm gonna stop it first. Then I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna press this. And now look, you see it's moving forward in the timeline, right? So if I'm good with it and I want to stop it right there, I click the middle one right here, this pause button. And bam, now it's going to start playing right there. And that's pretty much how that works. This right here takes you back 10 seconds. So if you look here, watch, it takes you back 10 seconds. You follow me? So I can keep doing this and just going back 10 seconds each time. Let me show you again. That's what that does. And then if you click this, it opens up your TV settings on the side. So to get the settings, you click this. To close them, you click that. Let's do it again. Opens up TV settings, and then click this, it closes it. If you want to navigate in there, you just do it the same way like this. And then when you're ready, you just click on the OK button when you get to the thing that you want to change. But anyway, that's that. Let's get rid of it. Bam, Bob. If I wanted to go back to the other page that I was looking at, I could click this, and it will take me back. And bam, that's the page that I was at. If I want to go back again, I click it again. Bam, there we go. Now if I want to go to the home page, I click here. And bam, I'm on the home page. And that's it. That's pretty much everything on here. I mean, these are self-explanatory. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.